We bought these Filter by Dust Defense air filters for my in-laws. They have a MERV 8 rating and come in a 2-pack. These filters are great for anyone looking to keep their home cleaner and their HVAC system running smoothly. They're specifically designed to fit furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, or any HVAC system. With measurements of 11¼ inch by 23¼ inch by 1 inch. What's great about these filters is their MERV 8 synthetic media, which is equivalent to MPR 600 and FPR 5 ratings. This means they can trap up to 90% of airborne particles like dust and pollen, ensuring cleaner air for your home without sacrificing airflow. The construction is top-notch too. With an electrostatically charged pleated design, these filters capture even smaller particles. Plus, the industrial-grade beverage board frames with dual-wire backings are far superior to standard cardboard designs, providing added durability and performance. Installing these filters couldn't be easier, and the difference they make is noticeable right away. If you're looking for reliable, high-quality air filters, I highly recommend giving these a try. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.